Welcome to Tammy's Rippin' Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing lentil stew, and the recipe will be in the description box of this video. I hope you enjoy. So like all of my videos, I do prep everything first. It makes it really nice and easy once you start the cooking process. So once that's all done, you can start cooking the garlic and the onions. Then you'll want to add in the celery and cook another couple minutes, and then it's time to add in the rest of the vegetables. You'll want to add in all your spices and then cook it for another 10 minutes. And then in goes your tomato paste and your stock and your lentils, and then the rest of your stock. So at first just put in about 4 cups of your stock and then give it a good stir. So this is definitely a full pot. You will want to simmer it for about an hour till everything's nice and soft. And then I made some biscuits to go alongside. I will post that recipe below also for you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.